If you're looking for the best car accessories to make your epic family road trip more manageable, I've got you covered. The road trip gadgets on my list are all noteworthy and can be helpful in many different situations. They're sure to come in handy on your next big adventure. There are many products available to choose the best car accessories for a road trip, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car accessories for a road trip, from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wagon Electric Car Cooler and Warmer. Everyone needs to keep snacks and drinks cool on a long trip. It's the best way to stay comfortable on a road trip, and this cooler is the best at just that. You see, this cooler is not just your typical cooler. It's basically a mini fridge that can also function as a warmer. The key is that the power cord that plugs right into your car's AC outlets. It's not great at cooling things down, but if you add cold items, they stay cold hours later. Number 2. Tikeco Charging Phone Mount. These days, phones are one of the most essential car accessories for a road trip. It's your navigation system, your entertainment, and more. So, you need the perfect car charger and mount for those long road trips. This mount is ideal for hands-free navigation. The Tikeco charging phone mount includes wireless charging and fits most commonly used phones. Plus, it includes an auto clamp which comes in handy more than you'd think. And it comes with a power cord that plugs right into your cigarette lighter. Number 3. JZ Creator Car Headrest Pillow. Your co-pilot deserves to be comfortable during the long hours on the road. One of the best accessories for car travel is this adjustable headrest pillow. This headrest attachment is easy to install and completely adjustable, so it works for both adults and children. When you're done using it, just raise it up to it's flush with the headrest. It's been tested for safety, and it includes a mount on the back that's perfect for backseat passengers to hold their phone or other car accessories. Number 4. KMMOTORS Cooling Car Fan. This mountable fan will help get cool air to the backseat during those hot summer road trips. There are tons of mountable car fans out there, but I think this one is so handy because it comes with 3 different mounting options. Most car fans attach to the front seat headrest. If you have a child in a rear-facing child seat, you know this can be a problem. You can mount this fan on the rear window, an air vent, or a headrest. And it's easy to rotate it so the baby gets cool air. I also like that it comes with 3 different speeds, and you just plug it into your USB ports for long trips. Number 5. WACACO Minipresso Portable Espresso Maker. A great way to cut down on stops and also save money is to make your own coffee. This simple and efficient travel coffee maker allows you to easily make your own espresso on the road. It's lightweight and has a compact design. And a great feature of the Minipresso Portable Espresso Maker is that it uses manual force, not electricity. This particular machine is compatible with Nespresso pods only and heats your water for you. So, you can still enjoy a hot cup of coffee on the go. It's perfect for car camping, overnight trips, and long road trips. No need to boil water or drink bad coffee from gas stations. Gross. This little machine does everything for you. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.